Hello, this is Swapna from the Tech Outlook. In this video, I will show you how to execute queries in MongoDB. Before going in detail, I will request to those who haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to it. And please click on this notification bell to get new videos. So here I will be explaining three queries in MongoDB. I will be showing you how to execute queries in MongoDB. The first query is find the details of employees who are working in production department. So to execute this query, already I have created employee collection and how to create database, how to create collection, how to insert document in the collection. Already I have explained that part in my previous videos. For better understanding, you all can refer my that videos. So here already I have created employee collection. In my employee collection, I have inserted 9 documents and I have taken 4 attributes, 4 fields: employee ID, employee name, salary and department. So to execute the first query, we have to write the query. And what is a query? The query is which is you explaining about the details of employees who are working in production department. So the condition is given, the department is equal to production. So how to execute that part, I will show you. db dot name of the collection employee dot find is nothing but select statement which we are executing in the MySQL database. So here we use find, and here after that we specify the condition. What is the condition? The department colon production. So it will display all the records, all the documents where department is equal to production. So this is my condition. So here you can see, if I execute pretty, so it will display it in organized manner. So here you can see wherever the department is equal to production, only that documents are displayed: production, production, production. So in my collection, I have 3 documents where department is equal to production. So this is the query which is to be written like this. Now I will show you how to execute second query. The second query is find the details of employees whose employee ID is greater than 5. So how to write that query? db.employee.find, and here we will specify the condition. What is the condition? Where employee ID is greater than 5. So for that, how to write that query? So here I will use $GT operator. $GT operator is used to find out the records where EID greater than 5. So here I will write greater than 5. So EID greater than, sorry, I forgot to write dollar because dollar is very important. So see, here you can see 6, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these are the 4 records where ID is greater than 5. So only that documents are displayed. Instead of GT, we can use LT also, which is nothing but less than operator. LT, if I execute the same query using LT, so it will display the first 4 records. So guys, here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 the documents where EID is less than 5. So likewise we have number of operators, and I am supposed to show each and every operator, how to execute that operator. In my upcoming videos you can see how to execute that part, how to use different operators. So this is my second query. And the third one is find the details of employees whose salary is greater than 45,000. So here what is the condition? Salary is greater than 45,000. So instead of LT, I will use GT, and instead of EID, name of the attribute, I will simply use salary. That's it. So salary greater than 45,000. So here I will specify 45,000. So here you can see salary 50,000, salary 60, then again 50, 50 and 60. So wherever the salary is greater than 45,000, all records are displayed. So this is nothing but the third query. Likewise, I can, if I execute LT instead of GT, if I execute LT, it will display all the documents where salary is less than 45,000. So here you can see 40, 30, 25 and 40. So instead of GT, I can execute GTE also, which is nothing but greater than equal to, LTE less than equal to. So these are three queries which I have shown you how to execute in MongoDB. Likewise, I am supposed to show you extra queries and some operators, how to use that operators while executing queries in MongoDB, that I will show you in my next videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.